Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to live sessions. I know you guys missed our live sessions, so tomorrow is Christmas, right? But market can be slow. Let's see, can we grab something from the markets? I hope you guys are feeling well and okay. And if this is your first time watching me trade live, we are trading Nasdaq futures and we are watching S&P 500 with Dow Jones, and we are trading with the pure price action. All right, so the first thing we do in the mornings, right, we check the levels at the market. What do we have, what's gonna happen, so we basically have a roughly an idea. So at the moment, what do we have is obviously a 30 price, midnight opening price, London high and Asia high we have on the chart. And we can clearly see that on hourly time frame and on the 4-hour time frame we took out these lows over here. So, and on the daily, what do we have? We have these beautiful formations. And since this is we are coming to the year end, we might see all-time high, which is 1,000 point away, and this is quite easy for Nasdaq to capture that levels. Good morning, Bernie. How are you? I have checked my email, but I didn't see your email. Are you sure you sent the correct one? All right, so we have 8 minutes till market open, and if you are here now, you are ready to rock the markets with me. Yes, please, Bernie. I don't know, maybe it dropped to spam or something. I double checked, but I didn't see it. All right. Looks like a beautiful day. We have a quite nice setup forming here, but the thing is we have 8 minutes till market open, and let me check if we have any news. But yeah, we have news at 10 a.m. Consumer confidence. Tomorrow we have news, unemployment claims. Okay. I think from now on the volume can be dropped due to it's Christmas, due to it's coming to the end of the year, right? Couple of things can affect the volume at the market. So we don't have SMT with ES, we do have with Dow Jones, which is not that important at the moment, and we are inside of the new week opening. Yeah, looking beautiful. I miss trading live with you guys. We have 7 minutes. I prefer to wait till ring bell, but if the opportunity comes before the market open, we might take it because risk reward seems like a good. But as you guys know that 930 candle can, you know, do a stop hunt, do a Judas candle and everything. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if we can release before the year end, but we are preparing a new free trading course where we are focusing on the execution and everything. So I will be keeping you guys updated on YouTube, on social channels. The 2026 will be massive for all of us. I will trade with 5 micros, ladies and gentlemen. ATR is 7.7. So we got the inversion here. This looks like a really nice long setup at the moment. Guys, also we are running a giveaway on Borsa 321 Toolkit. I highly suggest you join. There is a link in the chat. And if you have any questions regarding anything, don't be shy, just drop it. I will be happy to answer all your questions. We are inside of the first macro of the day, by the way. So the magnet is literally at the Asia high over here on the upside. But if the price wanna drop, where you guys think we're gonna do the drop? We have this gap over here. I think it's because of the contract switch or something. Oh no, this is the real gap. I remember that weak gap. So we might fulfill this gap over here. Okay. This is the idea of 9:30 candle open. The APAC still has this massive discounts going on, guys. So if you are into buy a account, it might be a good time. Hello, hello, Pharaoh, my friend. How are you? Yeah. Oh, okay, Bernie. Let me just check it while you are here. So, if I received or not, give me a moment. Okay. Seems like we're gonna go for the 8:30 opening price. We need to wait for 2 more minutes, 2.5 minutes. Oh yeah, Bernie. Okay, I received your email. Okay. We'll drop you an answer after the live. Let me just take unread. Okay. Ay ay ay. Hello Naga. Oh Mali, good morning. Thank you very much. Oh my god. I hate when you does that, Nasdaq. We're trading into the hourly fair value gap, bearish one. Yes, is having a hard time to follow up these moves from the Nasdaq. Let's see. Guys, drop some likes. Oh, Pharaoh, get well soon, my friend. Just saw your message. It's a bad time to get sick, though. Okay. What you gonna do, NQ? So this setup looks really beautiful. I might take a partial at this point, though. What the? Get out of here, man. So this is like, if this works well, We're going for the 5-hour trade here. 20 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this beast. Okay, the first target has been reached, ladies and gentlemen. The first target has been literally reached. Careful here. Whoa, that's crazy. We're going for the London high or what? Okay. Beautiful trade. I love when market is behaving nice to traders. Oh my god. It's more than 90 points now. Whoa. London high is very close. Let me see if ES took it. Not yet. The first candle of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ES still didn't took it. Might be a quick scalp. So this idea was awesome, huh? If I need to take a trade from this account, also looking for a quick scalp. Bernier. It still has the opportunity here, waiting for some pullback. To be honest, so oh my, this is like, oh shit, we have a one problem. How come we executed this? This was the beautiful idea. I just accidentally went long in this account. The first FVG of the day is here, so okay, might go for this long. Still has the unfinished business, right? Okay. Now basically we expect that this FVG getting respected so that we can just took the Asia high. Oh yeah, Bernie, you're right. We need to find another name for this one. For now, let's keep it pre. Okay, come on. Looking for a continuation here. 5 minutes till this macro ends. The market literally on the flat point now. Yes, moving together with the Thank you. Initial candle of the day. Yeah, that's a good name. I like it. Okay, come on. This was my mistake though. I don't know how it happened, but I executed the 5 contracts here. So no worries. We are now at the beautiful point. I wanna see inversion here. A continuation to upside. If that is not the case, I will be closing this out. Let's see. Oh, come on, no inversion still. 935. This is the continuation trade for unfinished business. The price never touched the Asia high, so let's see. 15 seconds. We have 4 minutes till this macro ends. I don't know. I feel like we're having a trouble here. Trouble is real. Okay. Nice. I'm up 400 bucks at the moment. Oh my god, don't come back. I want to see new high. The problem is ES doesn't have that momentum. Oh, come on. Okay, 938. We're still in this trade. Let's change this name. Initial FVG. Come on, unfinished business. We don't like it. Finish that job you started, man. Do we have the double FVG here? No. Okay. The ATR is 23, which is quite nice. All we do is now wait and watch. The first candle of the day was so huge, man. It was, might say, quite hard to jump into price, so. But we are managing well this position. Let me see the reactions here. Okay. $9.38, still in the first macro of the day. We have the new day opening gap from today. It's what's holding the price. Come on. Guys, smash the like button if you are making some money or learning something new today. Oh my god, beautiful. Come on. Can we get new session high before this new macro ends? Lock and loaded. Yes, moving higher. If ES takes out the London high first, I might take some partials to to avoid like SMT, you know. Now the macro is also finished. It's okay to, you know, takes that much time because like if you look, the first candle is literally like, I don't know, 70 points or something. 100 points, man. So, you know, that's that's fine that we chop now. It's literally like market spent all the momentum at the first candle somehow. Okay, ES is going for the session highs. If it takes out the London, we'll also look for some. Okay, I don't like these drops. Midnight opening price here. Still holding at 3 contracts. Not interested with this. If it comes back to my entry point. Look at this bad boy. Okay, ES took the London high. Oh man. We up 130 ticks so far. I'm not the fan of this trailing drawdown on Apex. Hard to leave the runners though. Okay, ES made a session high. We have literally the SMT. So like, I don't know, taking one more off here, I guess. I don't like it. We can re-enter later on, right? So this is what we have now. If we go Asia high, that's okay. If not, that's a problem. We're closing with the profit. Not that much, but you know, the green is green, especially these kind of days. The question now is, can we get the second expansion leg? We are 20 points away from the high of the session. Risk-free trades. We actually don't mind what's gonna happen. 9:44. In 6 minutes we have the new macro, and if you guys don't know, what the new macro does is two things: continuation or reversal. I expect a continuation, but you never know. To expect a continuation, I want to see NQ also make a new session highs. Okay. 120, 170 ticks, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful. Beautiful. Do it. That's the way. That's a beautiful trade, ladies and gentlemen. Can we get some likes for this trade? Because it deserved it. It deserved it. That's for sure, huh? Dun, dun, dun. We literally sold at the top. Crazy. What's the next move, Borsa? We're gonna see that. Let's see it. Let's keep this so we don't forget. Now we have the 5-minute bullish FVG also. This position has been done. So if you were able to catch from somewhere here, you already secured 100 points, which is a big W. The big W, ladies and gentlemen. My God. I like when trading is like this. You see, we actually managed beautifully this position. My long idea was here for the continuation, but somehow we took one here, but I was expecting opening market to take out lower 8 a.m. candle before going higher, so I waited. That's fine, man. They will keep doing the same thing over and over again. Mr. Borsa, by chance I could catch this big bullish candle. Yeah, you could do it. You could do it, but the problem with the trading before the 9:30, you have to also accept that there is a risk of that same candle going the opposite side of your trade. You get what I mean? So you could take a long and you could use this bullish order block. This there were somewhere here inversion. Yeah, this one. You could use those, but the problem is, are you okay to take a loss, 100 points? Because the rule is like you have to wait the candle closure, but when you get this kind of like we call as like a god candle, it's tough, it can blow your account, that's for sure. I know, this kind of trades and the candles creates the thing we call like FOMO, so that's completely fine. So the both pairs took the London high, Asia high. Quite interesting opening, I might say. We either expect a reversal, because if you look, we took all the early levels here. I want to see the 4-hour candles now. Let's see. Okay, we have this 4-hour early high, which is the yesterday high also. Oh man, this is just going and going. 948. We might take a continuation trade, okay guys? And it will be something like this, I believe. It's like a 4-hour trade. $20 till the new macro starts. Now the magnet comes here. Wanna see, we pull back a little. But obviously it's not 100% that price. If the price comes, retest this, we'll go there, right? It can do a complete reversal. Where is Pharaoh? Pharaoh is in the chat. Pharaoh is little sick, so he couldn't join us with his beautiful voice. All right, pulling back. We might drop the size now to 3 contracts as the initial execution. So let's see, what's the risk here? Ah, okay. Can use the 830 candle, right? This also starts looking for me like the reversal setup though. So both sides is looking good. We have news at 10 a.m. By the way, consumer confidence, it's the orange folder. It might not move the price, but you know, it's better safe than sorry. I like this rejection. Definitely like this rejection. Shall we go for like 2 or something? Okay. I feel like the market is on autopilot mode. I still can't decide. Either we should go to short or long. And also there is a third option. Just don't do anything. Oh my god. I still remember that the last week my mistake on 10 rather than 10 micros going 10 minutes and blowing the PA accounts. My goodness. What a nightmare. 952. I trade basically depend on time, right? Before I check the candles, I check the time. I think that's the one of the biggest reasons for my payouts. Okay, what do you want to do, man? No SMT seems. Oh, we have a strange SMT. It's not the big thing, but we have it. I don't know if you guys did it, but if you still didn't hit the like button, I don't know what to say to you. So the question is what they want to do with this down close candle. So this is the third candle that will close in red, and I have a model specifically designed for this price section. Let's see. I might say it has a nice win rate, but you never know. Oh my god, the first A plus candle is coming. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. This might be a good one. This might be the risky one. I don't know. Okay, going into it. Let's see. Not the best setup, but stop is here, obviously. The problem with this position now is like the risk reward is not the best in my opinion, but we'll try to do best. Can even target this. I don't think that this will deliver perfectly, but after this candle closure I want to use this bearish fair value gap for scaling my size. Only 2 contracts now. ES also dropping the bearish order block. I'm late executing this position somehow. I don't know how this... My goodness, this market orders is driving me crazy. I pushed the button after this candle closure and look what happened. I might scale here by 50% with the retest of this bearish FVG if that is the case. First A plus signal of the day on the NQ. Let's see. I think not the best one because of the gap we have here and the target we have here. Obviously the problems that everyone faces is like, you know, now it delivered like a 15 points, now it's 20. You might want to take a partial when you are in dub like this, you know. You can count this now as took this low over here and took the midnight opening price, and if it touched the 830 price I will definitely take a partial and trail my stop. Okay. I want to teach you guys one thing regarding to this price section. People getting excited with these green candles after they get in the position, but they forgot to see one thing. So this is the first, second, third, fourth and fifth candle. So this fifth candle was a down close candle, and what do you expect? Of course you will get one green candle. This is the market that goes up and down. It's not just going on a one direction, right? Keep that in mind. But obviously from that point to that point you got 30 points. You can take a partial, that's completely fine. But do not get like impulsive, right? Like don't get excited. But the thing is, the market can be done with going down, you know, and it might not go down further, and we have the 10 a.m. candle, so that's the thing. We'll see. I took one off, by the way, trailing my stop for sure. So this is the setup now. You know, the thing is the managing the positions. You know, each and every opportunity that comes in front of your eyes has a different style of moves, right? So this, we have seen many times that the market gave the sell signal, or you got your sell position, whatever it is, the reversal setup. And what the market did basically is, after reaching the 0.5 equilibrium of this fair value gap, creates a new high. Okay, touch my 830 price. So like this is cancelled. This is the idea now. You can even move your stop at this. So 830 might reject the price, but the good news is ES has still job to do down there, so you might want to flex your stop loss. If you guys don't understand what I'm talking about, let me show you. So this is the 830 price on NQ. We just touched it and the price respected it. Okay, news came out. The volume kicks in, and ES didn't do it yet. So in the most scenarios like this, you can write your positions until the ES also comes the same level. You got my point? So what I'm saying is when the NQ is ruling the market, you might want to check the ES before you close the positions. I don't want to see this candle close in green. Okay, 10 a.m. candle. Now that's the candle where we're looking for the scale my position by 50%. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm scaling this in a moment with the retest perhaps. I'm now quite sure that we're going for the lows, but obviously it doesn't have to do anything because I say so. Beautiful. 100 ticks, 830 price. Oh my god, guys, we just can't stop winning today and yesterday and tomorrow and the next year. Oh boy. You know what I like about these live sessions? When people talk fluff and this like saying that, oh man, just do it live, show us live, blah blah blah. Here is the proof, my friend. Here is the proof. Don't talk to me, just go watch the live sessions. Not just today. This month we did more than 20 live sessions. Can you guys believe that? Such a consistency. I'm in short NQ entry 729. Oh, that's a nice catch. You executed with the inversion, I believe, here. With this little guy, huh? Nice catch. Okay, target. So close and boom, boom, boom. Guys, what can I do for you more, huh? Calling the trades live, executing live, managing the trades live. That's how we roll, baby. I wish I scaled here, but we missed it. Okay, look at this. This is a full, beautiful V shape of a trade. We took the long, we took the short, we made the money because we the best. We the best. Can we get some likes? Be careful here, guys. 930 price. We the best. I think one of the most powerful opening candle. It's more powerful than the midnight opening price. It's more powerful than the 830 price. Guys, did you join the Borsa 321 Toolkit giveaway? Because we might choose the winner now. We might choose the winner now, okay? If you didn't enter, last 5 minutes, okay? Look at this. Beautiful. What do you have here? The new week opening gap. It's one of the most strongest gap that we have. Beautiful trades. Not just one, but two. I think if we invert this big gap with this beautiful moves, we're gonna fill this gap also, which is like the 600s. We can easily go, which is 40 points away. If you're gonna leave the runner, might be a bumpy way, but you might want to hold it. People comes and ask me that, now what is the next trade? Oh my god, man. Do you really need one more trade? That is the question. Your question is not the right question, right? So why you need more trades after, let's say you couldn't catch this like me, but you catch this, you ride at this, then you catch this move. How many points you booked, man, in total today? More than 100, huh? I think the most beautiful thing in trading is, if you want to be in this game for a long run, you have to learn the patience. If you can't do it, it's just not for you, and they will show you beautifully, blowing you millions of times. oh, oh, The price never gave me a chance to scale in this position. I wanted to go for 5 contracts, but the green is green, man. The green is green. Waking up, checking the charts, executing the same models every day, every single day. Unless you don't do something stupid, you're gonna make it. Yeah, I took the A plus sell signal, Bernie. I executed after the candle closure and ride it till 9:30 price here. You took it also? Look at this fair value gaps. Hello, you took very nice trade. Thank you, Yeshan. We do it every day. I'm just waiting for this macro ends, and I think market can do a continuation this time to the new week opening gap, but like I said, it doesn't have to do anything. So tomorrow is the Christmas Eve, huh? So the market is half day, I guess. Let me see, trading hours, early closure, 2025, Thanksgiving Day, okay, we passed it. The Christmas Day is a fully closure, I think tomorrow we have early closure. Why it is so hard to write it clearly? My goodness. Okay, we'll close at 1 p.m. Okay, got it. Look at this continuation trade. My god. So I will teach you guys one thing here real quick, because why not? So this is what we call like a cheap trade. It doesn't have to work every time, but the thing is, you have a nice risk reward here, right? So when you get this retest of this fair value gap here, or you can wait for this 830, which is more, you can say a high prop, right? And low risk. So this is like the idea, and you target here. But one thing you need to always keep in mind, you can't execute now. You can be only executing at the macro hours. Okay, if you don't know what is macro, highly suggest you check my educational content inside the YouTube, which I provide most of them free. A cool low set up nicely. Oh, Bernie, you never missed the target, man. Yeah, that's looking juicy. That's looking juicy. So yeah, now it is forming the cheap trade. Also, it has a 5 minute bearish FVG, but like I said, outside of the macros, we don't trade. How can I join your private live session? Oh, you can join in. I don't know if we still have the links. I remove a lot of links. Let me check it for you. Give me a moment. I think it's the Borsa join or something. Okay, this is it. And we have the sale. So you can join from here in the private live sessions. Oh my god! Tick by tick again. Borsa, how can you be so accurate, man? I don't know, man. I think it's just the screen time now. I know how exactly these crazy guys moves the market. Look at this. Just go back and watch, right? But obviously it's outside of the macro, so rules are rules. But tick by tick, huh? Risking 160 bucks to get the 700 bucks. Crazy trade. If you guys took it, congrats. But due to I have my macro times to trade, which allow me to trade precisely without revenge trading. Guys, did you see this? On the ES we get two beautiful A plus. One for the upside, one for the downside. Crazy. Oh, we do have SMT. That is interesting now. That is interesting. So literally Nasdaq is ruling the market today, huh? Oh, that's interesting. So if you guys don't know, as long as we stay below this 930, this setup is valid. Okay, keep that in mind. What happened? Session disconnect, obviously. 9:13. The macro time is approaching. As always, I'm getting hungry while I'm trading. Sounds funny, but it's true. That's the truth. Okay. Oh, the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Let's see who wins it. Okay. Pick the winner. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Who is it gonna be? The winner is Brian Frey. The Brian Frey. Congratulations. You just win the giveaway. The Brian Frey. I don't know if you receive some kind of activation, but if you do not, I will send you an email. Let me do it actually now, because I think there might be some issues. Oh, he's in the live also. That's awesome. Just sending you the code now, my friend. Enjoy the 30-day access. Hope you like it. Congrats. I'm stuck. Thank you. Oh, thank you for joining. Create the code for you real quick. Okay, we have 5 minutes till new macro, ladies and gentlemen. We're watching carefully. Brian, please use the code today, okay? I'm just sending you. Okay, I just sent you the email. If you didn't receive the code. Hi friend, what a great Christmas present the market gave us. Oh yes, Juan, you are just so right. The market is literally blessed us today, huh? Keep them coming. I don't know why we're still watching the charts, but I guess I missed it because we didn't do the live session on Friday. Yeah, and we didn't do yesterday. So I'm working on the courses that I told you guys. You don't have an option, you know. I will make you a constantly profitable trader in 2026. I will take all of you under my wings and we will break new records in 2026. Either you will get your first or your next payout with me. That's my aim. 2 minutes till macro. So let's look what this macro can do, and we can have an idea. So the first thing is catching my eyes, obviously. Let me see. We have an SMT, right? And that's the SMT that you shouldn't be how you say, avoid. What the? Okay. So take that SMT. Second question, 930. We're trading above 930, which is bullish for me. And do we have target? Yes, we have target. Do we have target on the London also? I don't see now, but it's because I think from my settings on. Yeah, let me check. I think they're loading some longs here. Let me see, come on. I don't think we have a target on like this, the same target. Yeah, but we still have the session highs. So in my opinion, this might be a nice setup. Stop loss at session lows, 3.3 hour trade, and I don't think I will take partial before here, because if it moves, it will finish this business. it stops you out, it stops you out. That's the thing. And on the downside, you have this new week opening gap. That's also another thing. Now we are inside of the new macro. Yes, also pushing. Yeah, this trade looks good, man. This trade really looking good. For me, there is no reason, I think, to take this. Making too much money is also a problem when it comes to consistency, you know. Well, this might be, if this idea works, this might be like one of the greatest SMT trade ever. Because there are some couple of reasons. Let me just quickly show you. The first one is this is the exactly reverse at the equilibrium point of this, what we were calling this Bernie, the initial FVG of the day. So yeah, it will be massive. I like it. You never know. I will not take it. But this is the idea. This is what I see. Beautiful day. Dow Jones is going for the also session highs now, trading at the session highs. I wonder what the Bitcoin is doing. Oh, stuck here. Tesla is going for $500. Another thing we need to check is at the moment is the, yeah, we are very close to equilibrium of the day, of the session. Oh yeah, this is what I see now personally, and somehow I think it's a nice setup. With two contracts, you lose 155 and make around like 500. It's a good call, my friend. You can even flex your entry like this, and yeah, I think you can't move the stop loss. If it makes a low, you're out. So risking $100 to get the 500, or you can just execute with this here. Yeah, two options. It really depends on your risk appetite, I can say. This trade looks good, obviously. If I don't have the consistency on this account, I would have take this, because you know, who cares if I lost $140 to get the $500. Calling out the third trade here. Yeah, two longs, one short, which is very cool. We're killing it. Yeah. Guys, do you have any questions for me? If you have any questions, it's a beautiful time for you to ask me. I believe the next live session will be on the Friday, I think. I'm not quite sure. We need to check the London and Asia before we decide. Man, I see people copying my models and rename it. It's so funny. I don't mind. I just don't care, because you just can't stop these people, right? From stealing you. I've been trading the same thing like I don't know how many years now. This is the area of price might see some trouble because it's the equilibrium point. It's that easy. We are combining a lot of concepts together but keeping it simple. That's the whole point of this. Okay. So guys, I'm leaving you with this trade over here. If you took it, just write it. I think it will work out. If you didn't took it, this two trades is enough for us, right? Love you guys all. Thank you for watching me trading live. And yeah, if we can't see us each other, Merry Christmas. Love you all and take care. Don't blow accounts. Take it easy. And bye for now, team.